Choosing the right hammer mill will save you a lot of trouble with subsequent pelleting. Widened vertical feed hopper to prevent material blockage. Quick open access door for easy sieve replacement. After the material enters the crushing chamber, it is struck by hammer blades and sized by a sieve, resulting in more consistent fineness. Discharge outlet paired with fan for faster material delivery. No material accumulates inside the chamber, resulting in low dust emission throughout operation. Precision coupling delivers stable transmission and low power loss. Equipped with national standard high power motor, it delivers full power and runs continuously under heavy load without overheating. The high-efficiency hammer mill is suitable for wood chips, branches, rice husks and straws, serving as dedicated pre-crushing equipment for pellet production lines. We are producing pellet machines and complete lines already for 20 years, and our key machines are biomass pellet machines, feed pellet mills, wood chippers, wood crushers, wood hammer mills, rotary dryers, pellet coolers and the complete lines. The pellet's diameter can be from 4 mm to 30 mm. The output is from several kilograms to several tons per hour. If any interest, feel free to connect us.